Hello everyone, David and Haring here. So in this short quick start video we are going to be talking about how to install Rebol. So there are several different versions of Rebol out there. There's the official Rebol 3 Alpha, there's a fork of Rebol called RenC, and several others actually, but what we're going to talk about here is just the Atronix version of Rebol. So there's two different places you can get it. The preferred one is on the Atronix website on our download page, which we're going to go there in just a second. That's always going to have the latest official release. And then secondly, you can get it if you're an Atronix engineer and have access to our file server, which you do. You can get it from the SCADA folder on the file server. So let's go to the website and go down that path. So here is the Atronix website, and you can see this video is being recorded on Ubuntu Linux. That's the official reference platform for running our software products. Let's go over to Connect and Downloads. So this is our downloads page, and you will see all of our official releases here. We support Linux on 32/64-bit Intel as well as ARM. So Linux will run on the Odroid, Raspberry Pi, Pine. We support all the different versions of Windows, as well as we now have a Mac OS beta. So I'm going to go ahead and download Linux 64-bit, and we're just going to save that to our download folder. And then you can see it downloaded, so not very large, it's a 1.4 megabyte download for everything all in. So I'm going to open that up. Oops. Over to our files. So you'll see there's the download. So really there's no multi-gigabyte installation that you have to do. Rebol is really just one file. The interpreter, the Rebol language interpreter, is just one file. So to run it in Linux here, I'm just going to open up a terminal in this folder, and then you can see it's listed there, and then we're going to run it. Why isn't it letting us run it? Well, that's because it is not executable. So in this case, we do have to add the executable flag to allow it to run. And now you can see in my highlighting here in my terminal it is green. So if I just run it now, and there we are. So that's it, you're running Rebol. And that's really pretty much all there is. It's very, very simple. Just download, set the execute bit on it so that Linux will know that, hey, I can execute this file. It's okay to execute this file. If you're downloading on Windows, that's not important. It'll see from the extension that it's executable, and you can just double click on it in your folder and it will pop up a little terminal window for you. But that's it. Thank you for watching.